The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Wednesday morning, guys. Excuse me. Guys, good morning. Thank you, Deepak. Ozzy, good morning. Tim, guys, Tom, Jonathan. Guys, good morning. Barry, good morning. Fellas, today is Wednesday, September 7th. We have a Claudia, good morning. We have thank you, Scott. We have an abundance of Fed speakers starting at 9 a.m. Barkin speaks at 9, Mester at 10, and Brainerd at 12:35. All Hawks. So we will see if that message that they have been pounding into the dirt changes. I don't think it does. I think that, and then Powell tomorrow at 9 a.m. and I think they're basically all going to come out and reiterate the same thing. Morning, Arjan. That they're going to raise interest rates. Inflation is a priority, and I think it will kill the markets. We shall see. We shall see. We trade what we see, not what we think. Currently, guys, the bots are up $312.50. Not many trades this morning. I inadvertently, not realizing today, well, today is Wednesday, but Monday, there we go, 332. That's where we're at. Crude inventory is tomorrow. So tomorrow, when you guys come in, I will not have run crude or natural gas bots. Right, so we'll have natural gas at 10:30, crude at 11. Good morning, Jacques. Spots are up 332.50 on, I think, 3 trades. We had a losing trade in the NASDAQ, a winning trade to all 3 targets in the ES, and then we had this crude trade out of first and second targets. Not a lot going on as expected. I'm going to turn my bots off, actually, guys, ahead of Barkin speaking at 9 a.m. I'm sure that will send the markets into somewhat of a tizzy. Trade them if you like. It's not a hard, fast rule, of course. So trade the bots as you see fit. Again, we have no trials today. I had no trials registered for the week. So I can do some further explanation in things if we're in trades and show some more things that I wouldn't ordinarily show when we have trials in the room. If you guys are in order flow group that began yesterday, if you are in the order flow group that began yesterday, the video was sent yesterday about 5 p.m. So video number 1 has been sent out to everybody. We started the afternoon session yesterday, and it was a very good afternoon session. We had some very nice trades. Crude, natural gas, better than 150 ticks. And a couple of NASDAQ trades. So it was a good session yesterday afternoon, depending on how you traded or what you traded. In any event, let's get on with it. I will read the disclaimer. I'll go over charts. Nothing's really changed since yesterday, but we'll go through the charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. I did not and could not change my screen size, Ed. Not sure why it shrunk on your computer. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any we got a natural gas trade. Sorry about that, guys. All 3 targets hit. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, there's your. It is Q as in queen. Look at this. Guys, shut your natural gas bots off. I have no idea what the hell is going on here. Another winning trade. I don't know. Well, you guys can look into QG. Let me look at another chart here, guys. Guys, this thing is ballistic. I wouldn't even attempt to trade it. I'm going to show, let me just show you natural gas. So yesterday in the trade room, we got this huge spike down into the 100-day moving average and a monster ricochet right back up. We are now pinging off the 100-day again. Hourlies are shorts with a target at 76.45. 10 minutes will be short at the close of this candle, assuming it closes where it is. We're now breaking below. We should probably ricochet again. There it is. Look at this. Look at this ricochet. This is not tradable, in my opinion, unless you guys have a monster account. 780.90 sellers in this 3-minute block. Unheard of. Unheard of. I have no idea what in the whole. Look at this bounce. I mean, if you guys have the stomach for it, this could be 300-400 ticks. And look at this. Anybody take the long off the 100-day moving average? Anybody have the stomach for it? I don't. It's no short. It's got to have something to do with Russia. Has to. I've never seen the last time we saw natural gas react like this and trade like this, up and down. I mean, look at, we hit a low of 77.42. You're up 500 ticks. It put hedge funds out of business. All right. My natural gas bot is off. The bots are up 25.32. Most of it natural gas. Crude, meanwhile, is getting puked. Q as in Queen, G as in George. QG. I mean, this is unsafe unless you have a monstrous account and you're trading, small size. Let's not focus on natural gas. I don't know what the hell is going on, but it looks like it's going to blow down to 7,400. I mean, it looks like there's 400 ticks to the downside. 74.8, which is the bottom of the daily cloud. NYMEX. All right, guys, let's take a look at chart. Let me get my bots on. All right, my bots are on, guys. We're into resistance here on NASDAQ. We've gone small green delta. Probably NASDAQ may pull support holding 56 and bouncing. Maybe a short back to 38 on the NASDAQ now. 38 and then 28 possible. Small sellers, small net buyers in here, but 38 looks like where it wants to come back to. 9 sellers, 12 sellers. Come on, NASDAQ, what are you going to do? Give me the pullback or what? Crude is the trade. Jesus, just buried. Copper buried. Natural gas is a short 79.10. If you guys, want to trade natural gas, 79.10 area. Stop is 79.66. Anybody short natural gas, target one is 875. So it'd be 35 ticks on target one if you're short natural gas. 875. All right, here's the up move. This is the up move. See if they can't trap buyers. Natural gas just sitting. Natural gas needs to just drop below 790. Tesla on the 15-minute. If Tesla gets above 77.90, you probably have you could buy Tesla calls. Look at this move. All right. ES trying to break above 20. Nice trade, Greg. ES trying to break above 20. No bot trades. All right, guys, I'm watching ES for a long. Target 1. Come on, big boy. Let's go, big boy. Break up and go get 40. Come on, big guy. Go get 32 for a target 1 and then 40. Come on. Come on, rip it. Rip it. 32. Let's go. Come on. Block sellers in there. Setting up for a pullback here, guys. Let's just blast through. We're still longs, guys. Buy zone here. 32, target 1. Come on. Got a block buyer here, block sellers here and here. 200 contract seller at 25. Still longs. We may get a pullback to 19. Need to get back above 26. Here it goes. Here it goes. Come on, buddy. There's a NASDAQ long on the bot. Come on, ES, let's go. 32. This is target 1. Out of that NASDAQ. We're going to squeeze up, guys. It's going to go. It's going to go. It's going to go. Come on. They're buying up all the sellers. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here comes the squeeze, guys. Block buyer on the, look at the buyers on the top. 60, 54, 54, and 54. Block buys on the top. 1,500 buyers on the top at 30. 1,600 contracts bought at 30. Come on, let's go. 32. Well, this is the slow move to 32. Those buyers on the top, guys, are a tell. 1,600 buyers on the top. Come on, blast through this. Let's go get 32. Bottom again at the high. Bottom again. NASDAQ new day high. Come on, 32. Let's go. Come on. We're consolidating just below this high here, guys. New day high in the NASDAQ. Tesla went, guys. If anybody bought Tesla calls, it broke that level. It's got to get above 79.96. You can buy Tesla calls. 285s. Come on, ES, let's go. May get a pullback to 17. Yes. Let me look at NASDAQ as well. 2,800 buyers in the NASDAQ. Yes, needs to get back up through 26. Holding 20 as support. The big bid's at 20. He's filled. We're holding this buy zone. NASDAQ may pull back to 69.70. Come on. I need ES back through 25. ES has to come back through 25. Fed speaker, Mester at 10 o'clock. ES pulled back to that 17. held this small buy zone in here. Come on, let's go. Snooze fest. Here we go. Come on. Boy, this is slow. Yeah, I don't have a gold bot. I can only watch 5. Bank of Canada rate decision at 10 o'clock. Still don't have shorts, guys. I really don't have an ES in shorts. Thank you, Shatan. NASDAQ has 2,700 net buyers. Mester, Fed needs to press forward with their rate hikes. somewhere above 4% early next year. Risk of recession has risen. Still like ES longs, guys. Fake breakdown back above 20. Still like ES longs. This is just grind trades. Grind. All right, Patrick. See you tomorrow. Nice job. There's an ES bot long. I still like the ES long, guys. NASDAQ doing nothing. No other bot trades anywhere. This is it. Come on, 38 target, guys, from that break. Target one in the ES bot. $38 is our target, maybe 39. Let's call it 40, target one. Target one at 40. And then if we clear VWAP, look at this. They're going to trap buyers now, right? First move was up. Now they got to trap them. Come on, 38-40. Let's go. LFG. Come on, 38-40. 10 handles more. Oh, excuse me. Unbelievable. Really, this is just the slowest trade. Come on, 40 target. Here we go. It stops just short. 41.50. Here we go. Come on. 47.5. Oh, got it. Got it. Rat bag. That was a bastard of a trade, fellas. Anybody hold it to target? Now it's free. Free trade. Anybody hold it? Okay, David. That was a pain in the neck trade. I'm not going to lie. And it's still being obstinate. Hey, Randy. Don't want the longs, guys. It's still shorts. We could pop back up and then roll again. We could go to 63, even 76. Come on, fail back below 55 and start this down move again. Maybe 50. Well, we got the short. Miserable trade. Miserable trade. Watch the short here below 50, maybe back into 40. Got a long on the crude bot. Watch that 50 break right there. It's got to come down through. Come on down. Come on. Who the fudge is holding this market up with them talking about raising interest rates? Seriously, who the fudge is buying this crap? This is just blowing my mind. No idea, Floyd. What's the price of Apple? Can you tell me? Is it above 155? Unless Apple is above 155, it's going nowhere. There's the break. First target at 40 again. Come on, get us below VWAP and below that swing. Mester declined to say how large a hike she currently favors in September. Come on, break below VWAP, catch that swing, sell them to hell. Let's come into yesterday's low at 18. Does not want to give up fucking VWAP again. Pardon my French, but this is annoying as hell. Got the 40 again. Guys, this is just bullshit, untradeable. Small trades. You got the break here to 40, 10 handles. We can't get a breakdown. We need to get back below VWAP and catch this swing at 29 to start a move down to 18. Got to come below 40, right? VWAP. Now we've got a short on the ES bot and the Russell bot. Can't get a candle close. If we get that swing at 29, we got a target at 18. Unfreaking believable. Come on, blow down. Look at this horse manure. Just horse manure, guys. This wants to go right back to 73. Who the hell is buying this? Seriously. Come on, break below VWAP. Candle close below VWAP. You know where support is. Just this market's waiting on Powell tomorrow. Out on the ES. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock, 9 a.m., Powell. Guys, get a news service. I tell you guys this all the time. Get a news service. There's tons of free ones, fellas. You need to know who's speaking when. If you're running bots, you need to know. All right. Target 1 on Russell bot filled. Target 1 on crude bot filled. This is just. ES to me still looks like it wants longs. To 40. NASDAQ ES trying to get through the high of the day. There it is. New high of the day on the ES. Still have not gotten to my 32. Unbelievable. We're going to squeeze to 40. There's that 32. We're going to squeeze to 40. We're going to squeeze to 40. Got an offer at 37. We're going to go to 40, fellas. I am just dumbfounded. Seriously. Crude got all 3 targets. All right, fellas. Nothing left to do but see what happens at 40. Where did my NASDAQ chart go? Hey, David. What? You got stabbed in Portland? For the record, the bot's up 1425. 1425. Anybody have any questions? I'll see you guys, those of you that are with me at 1 o'clock, I'll see you at 1 o'clock for the afternoon session. The rest of you, I will see tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.